In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix upload failed on Gumroad in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Upload failed errors on Gumroad are usually caused by large file sizes, unsupported file formats, unstable internet connections, or browser-related issues. The good news is that most upload problems are easy to fix. Now, if you want to fix upload failed on Gumroad, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into your account. Next, check the size of the file you are trying to upload. If the file is very large, try compressing it into a zip file, reducing video resolution, or splitting the content into smaller files. After that, verify the file format is supported. Common formats such as PDF, zip, MP4, PNG, and JPG usually work correctly, but corrupted or unsupported files may fail during upload. Then, test the file locally on your computer before uploading it. If the file does not open correctly on your device, it may already be corrupted. Now, make sure you are using a stable internet connection. Large uploads require a reliable connection, so try switching Wi-Fi networks, restarting your router, or using a wired connection if possible. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. You can also try uploading the file in an incognito or private browsing window because browser extensions or cached data sometimes interfere with uploads. Then, rename the file using a simple file name. Avoid long file names or special characters such as hashtags, percentages, or symbols because they can sometimes cause upload errors. You can also try switching to another browser if the problem continues. Usually, upload failed errors happen because of oversized files, unstable internet, unsupported formats, or browser conflicts. So carefully reviewing these areas normally fixes the issue quickly. That's it. By optimizing your files and checking your browser and connection settings properly, you can fix Gumroad upload failed issues and upload your products successfully.